Hello, I am Rajiv Mittal, an alumnus of IIT Kanpur and IIM Calcutta, and currently life coach and trainer. Over the last 22 years, I have conducted hundreds of learning and development programs in 8 countries across the world. To know more about me, look at my LinkedIn profile. Please visit my YouTube channel to learn how to change your life by changing your mind. So, friends, in today's episode, we will talk about some of the challenges that you are facing because of work from home and how to resolve it. जब आपको पता चला होगा कि you have to start working from home, the announcement हुआ होगा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, most of us must have been very happy and excited about it and very relieved that this travel to office will end. However, I understand for some of you this excitement and euphoria was short lived. Without getting into the details, basically घर में two issues were troubling you. One, the bone of contention was कि जो घर में household jobs हो गए हैं, बढ़ गए हैं, who is going to do that? Plus, it was becoming difficult to work without any interruption because lot of us do not have large houses which provide you separate work space. You know this, to take analogy, the combination of office work, doing it at home became a cocktail which had gone horribly wrong. Now, talking about cocktails, see for example, what I am having right now is the mojito. It has several ingredients into it, like many all cocktails. अब जो लोग cocktail design करते हैं, they understand the principles on basis of which they decide what ingredients should be mixed together and in what quantities to ensure that it becomes an enjoyable drink. I learned the principles of work from home sheerly by accident a couple of years ago. My son started working from home almost 3 years back. When the first time we went to his house after he started work from home to stay there for a few days, I observed that in the morning he would actually get ready almost the same time every day, and he had a room for himself where he will go and sit down. So, for all practical purposes, it was like going to the office, though mind you, he would still come out to perform some of his household responsibilities, like he had to drop and pick up his son from school. Now, every day we used to have lunch together because since he was at home, but one day what happened was that because I think he was busy on a call, he didn't come out for lunch and we kept on waiting for very long. By the time he came out for lunch, it was pretty late and he felt very bad that because of him we were inconvenienced. So, from next day onwards, what he decided or he started doing was that he would let us know beforehand whether we should wait for him for lunch or not, and that was very good for us. I made some other observations also, and from that basis I concluded that there are 3 key principles involved. One, you need to be proactive. Proactive का मतलब क्या हुआ? आगे के बारे में सोचें, what is likely to happen, and then make a plan and a schedule accordingly. Second, communicate frequently and openly with your family members as well as your office colleagues. Third, be disciplined. अब इनको कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, बट उससे पहले लेट्स डू व्हाट इज कॉल्ड द रियलिटी चेक कि पहले क्या सिचुएशन थी और अब क्या है. यू नो व्हेन वी वर गोइंग टू द ऑफिस फॉर वर्क, तब बड़ा क्लियर कट एक डिवाइड था पूरे 24 घंटे का. इट वॉज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 टाइम जोन्स, 1 टाइम zone for office, 1 for work. Yes, sometimes they will get extended and there may be some seepage here or there, but more or less that principle was there. But this principle now cannot continue in its original form once you start doing work from home. Why? Because जैसे ही you start work from home, immediately the household tasks go up. For example, हम में से काफ़ी लोग लंच नहीं लेके जाते घर से when you go to office, वहीं whatever some arrangement will be there. अब while you are working from home, that lunch has to be there. Second, some of us are used to having several cups of tea or coffee during the day while we are at work. Obviously, you will have a desire कि घर में भी लें, वो काम बढ़ गया. So many more will be there. Then, for some of you who have children, because they are not going to school, उसके कारण काम बढ़ गया. Or to top it all, the help which we had were also not available, at least not in the form that we were used to. अब इसके कारण बहुत चैलेंज आ गया, and which has also become a bone of contention at home. अब इस प्रॉब्लम को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए मेरा सजेशन ये है कि सबसे पहले लेट्स से दैट both you and your spouse are there and you need to resolve this issue. Each one of you should sit down independently and make a list of household tasks which have to be performed during the day. इन साथ साथ उसके ये भी लिखें कि उनका ईच का टाइमिंग कितना होगा and what time of the day they have to be performed. Now, once the two of you have this list ready with you, start doing what I will call negotiation. Discussion नहीं बोल रहा. Discussion तो क्या होता है, बात होती है और रह जाती है. Negotiation meaning come to an agreement which is acceptable to both of you. अब ये एग्रीमेंट सही तरीके से बन जाए, एक सही माहौल रहे, रिलेशनशिप डैमेज ना हो, प्लीज़ फॉलो 3 principles. 1, listen to your partner and empathize. Empathize का मतलब क्या हुआ कि उनके नज़रिए से सिचुएशन को समझें. Second, communicate with the other person openly so that it helps the other person to empathize with you, वो भी ज़रूरी है. And third, be flexible while negotiating. अगर रिजिड रहेंगे कि मुझे तो यही करना है या यही नहीं करने का है, तो फ्रेंड्स there will be never an agreement. अगर आप ये 3 चीज़ें दिमाग में रख के you start the negotiations, I am sure you will come to some workable agreement. इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा डिस्क्लेमर लगा दूँ कि जो भी एग्रीमेंट होगा, you will feel that you have got a raw deal. ये हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है जब फैमिली में कोई डिस्कशन होता है. ऐसा नहीं, आपका पार्टनर विल ऑल्सो फील द सेम. So, as long as you get an agreement which meets your requirements, say let's say to the extent of 80 to 90%, you should be very happy about it. While doing the agreement or arriving at the agreement, you may have to need some creativity in the sense that workload may not be uniform in some fashion. तो मे बी आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं, एक हफ्ते कुछ टास्क आप करें, वो वाले टास्क आपके पार्टनर करें अगले हफ्ते, या ऑल्टरनेट डे. Some creativity needs to be brought in to find a workable agreement or arrangement. Now, once you have come to know that what are the household jobs you need to do, how much time they are going to take, and when in the day you need to do it, we will now look at that original time zones business which needs to be modified. सबसे पहले तो क्या करना होगा कि जो टोटल ऑफिस का टाइम जोन है उसको हमें थोड़ा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. वो तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका ट्रैवल टाइम बचा हुआ है. तो यू मे हैव टू स्टार्ट लिटिल अर्लियर एंड मे बी लिटिल क्लोजर. मैं ज़्यादा काम करने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ आपको, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि अब आपको उसमें से जो 3-4 टाइम स्लॉट्स निकालने हैं फॉर डूइंग और योर हाउस होल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़, वो आप उसमें से निकाल सकते हैं. कब निकालना है के हिसाब से आप एक शेड्यूल बन जाएगा कि ये लंबा सा मेरा एक ऑफिस का टाइम हुआ, फिर एक छोटा स्लॉट लूँगा घर के लिए, फिर एक ऑफिस, लाइक दैट. अब आपके दिमाग में ये चल रहा होगा कि यार ये मैंने तो बना लिया, लेकिन वाई शुड माई कॉलीग्स एग्री टू इट. यही मिस्टेक यू आर मेकिंग, दैट स्टार्टिंग विद अ नेगेटिव माइंडसेट. कन्वर्ट इनटू पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट. हाउ? आई विल टेल यू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ये जो आप प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम की, आर दे यूनिक टू यू और बाकी कॉलीग्स के भी यही है? सो ऑल आर इन द सेम बोट. दूसरा, if they had already found a solution for this problem, I am sure they would have conveyed to you कि भाई ऐसे कर लो. वो भी नहीं करा उन्होंने. So possibly one, they will be able to empathize with you because वो भी उस तरह से एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं. Second, they may find that this process which you have followed, maybe they should follow the same at home. Go with this mindset. अब जब आप उनसे डिस्कशन करेंगे, naturally your schedule will not be fully acceptable to them because it may clash with their own schedule which they have or their requirements. So थोड़ा उनसे फिर कम्युनिकेशन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के साथ करेंगे डिस्कस, तो आई एम श्योर एक आपको कुछ थोड़ा अपना मॉडिफाइड शेड्यूल मिल जाएगा. इसको लेके यू विल हैव टू अगेन गो बैक टू योर पार्टनर एंड शेयर. If your earlier negotiations were done well, amicably, flexibly, and you had built a good rapport, I am sure the modified schedule would be found acceptable to your partner also. अब ये लेकिन इसमें एक ध्यान रखें, एक और लेट्स से डिस्क्लेमर बोल देता हूँ. अब ये शेड्यूल जो बनाया है वो नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो हमेशा के लिए बन गया. क्यों? क्योंकि लाइफ तो कभी स्टेबल होती नहीं है. एक तो कुछ ना कोई एक्सीजेंसीज या इमरजेंसी राइज होंगी, कभी ऑफिस में, कभी घर में. इफ़ यू हैव बीन कम्युनिकेटिंग ओपनली बोथ विद ऑफिस कॉलीग्स एंड योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स एंड हैव अ गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, इट विल बिकम ईजियर टू हैंडल दीज एमरजेंसीज. ऑफिस की इमरजेंसी है तो घर वाले कुछ एडजस्टमेंट कर लेंगे, घर में हैं तो वाइस वर्सा हो जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. अब आते हैं लास्ट पॉइंट पे, डिसिप्लिन. मैं उसके दो ही डिसिप्लिन के दो एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगा. वन, फॉलो द शेड्यूल. अगर उसको इफ़ यू डोंट फॉलो द शेड्यूल इज पॉइंटलेस. सम ऑफ अस आर वेरी फॉरगेटफुल. यूज टेक्नोलॉजी, रिमाइंडर लगा लो कि यार घर का काम करने का ट्रेनिंग बच जाएगी तो आपको याद आ जाएगा कि मुझे ये काम करने का है, नहीं तो आप लगे रह जाएंगे. दैट्स वन. सेकेंड, हम लोग जब भी ऑफिस जाते हैं तो एक पर्टिकुलर तरीके से ड्रेसअप करके जाते हैं. मेरा सजेशन यही है, ड्रेस अकॉर्डिंगली. उसका बेनिफिट एक तो ये मिलता है कि आपको माइंड को मैसेज आता है आपके दैट यू आर नाउ इन द वर्क मोड एंड नॉट द रिलैक्सेशन होम मोड. दूसरा चीज़, घर में जो लोग हैं, स्पेशली चिल्ड्रन हैं अगर आपके यहाँ, दे गेट द मैसेज दैट माई मॉम और डैड are not on a holiday, but they are actually working. And mind you, children get messages much more easily from what they see in the environment, unlike most of our adults who actually are mentally blind sometimes. So friends, to conclude, follow these three principles. One, be proactive. Two, do open and frequent communication. 3, be disciplined. If you follow these, I am reasonably sure that your work from home cocktail will become as enjoyable as this cocktail of mine. So friends, let me have my cocktail. फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में जहाँ बात करेंगे अबाउट सम मोर चैलेंजेस दैट यू आर फेसिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक एंड द लॉकडाउन. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड चीयर्स.